Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Silverado Wheel Well Liners are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked upgrades for your truck, offering a significant boost in both aesthetics and protection against the elements. These liners act as a robust shield, safeguarding your Silverado's vulnerable wheel wells from mud, rocks, salt, and road debris that can cause rust, corrosion, and unsightly damage over time, thereby preserving the resale value and overall integrity of your vehicle. Investing in quality liners means you're not just enhancing the look of your truck but also ensuring its longevity and resilience against the harsh realities of daily driving and off-road adventures. Number 5. GOOACC GRC 7035 PCS Engine Undercover Fastener Kit. Introducing a comprehensive 35-piece fastener kit designed for your vehicle's engine undercover. This set provides a direct replacement for various clips and bolts, ensuring a perfect fit. Crafted with corrosion-resistant materials, these U-nuts and body bolts are built to last. They offer a reliable solution for securing your bumper and other body panels. Designed for universal fitment, this kit is ideal for a wide range of applications. It's perfect for replacing retainers on trim panels, door panels, bumpers, and more. Installation is straightforward, making it easy to fix or replace your existing hardware. These push clips and fasteners ensure a secure and proper attachment. While offering universal applications, this kit is also a great fit for specific models like the Infiniti G35, G37, FX35, FX45, EX35, and Nissan 370Z, 350Z. Your package includes 10 corrosion-resistant extruded U-nuts, 15 corrosion-resistant body bolts with built-in washers, and 10 plastic push clips, exactly as pictured. What we like. If you need a versatile set of fasteners for various engine bay components, this kit is a great choice. It includes U-nuts, bolts, and push clips, offering a comprehensive solution for repairs and replacements. This is ideal for DIY enthusiasts who tackle their own maintenance and want a wide range of hardware on hand. What people say. The engine undercover splash shield guard body bolts are a must-have for securing splash shields, fender liners, and other underbody panels. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant material, these bolts provide a secure hold and long-lasting durability. They fit perfectly, making installation quick and hassle-free. Material design satisfactory. No missing parts. Material quality and strength good. Installs easily. Operates properly. Excellent addition to my parts bins for dash service and body service, makes for a secure and positive fit. Number 4. Husky Liners Wheel Well Guards for Silverado 1500. Introducing the Husky Liners Wheel Well Guards, designed specifically for your 2019 to 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. These guards offer superior defense against rocks, dirt, and road salt. Enjoy a custom fitment that precisely matches your truck's rear wheel wells. Installation is quick and easy, simplifying your vehicle's cleanup process. Experience a quieter ride by minimizing road noise caused by flying rocks and debris. These guards help keep your truck cleaner and reduce the impact of harsh elements. Crafted with durability in mind, they are guaranteed not to crack or break for the lifetime of your vehicle. Made with pride in America's heartland. Defend your truck's vulnerable areas from damaging road conditions. These guards are an essential addition for any Silverado 1500 owner looking for long-lasting protection. What we like. For owners of the 2019 to 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, excluding specific trims, these guards offer tailored protection. They effectively shield your truck from road grime and reduce annoying noise. If you're looking for a durable, American-made solution to keep your truck clean and quiet, these are an excellent option. What people say. The liners fit perfectly and were easy to install. They provide excellent protection against mud and road debris. The durable material seems like it will hold up well over time. Number 3. Husky Liners Rear Wheel Well Guards for Silverado Sierra. Introducing the Husky Liners Rear Wheel Well Guards, designed for your 2007 to 2014 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra. Keep your truck protected from the elements. These guards offer a custom fit for your specific truck model, ensuring a perfect match. Installation is quick and easy, making cleanup a breeze. Shield your vehicle from rocks, dirt, salt, and other road debris. They help prevent damage and keep your truck looking its best. Experience a more comfortable drive by reducing road noise caused by flying debris. Enjoy a quieter ride with these essential accessories. Made in America's heartland, these guards are guaranteed not to crack or break for the life of your vehicle. Invest in quality and durability. What we like. If you drive a 2007 to 2013 Silverado or Sierra, these Wheel Well guards provide a perfect fit and robust protection. They are built to withstand harsh conditions and are guaranteed not to break. Choose these if you prioritize long-term durability and peace of mind for your older model truck. What people say. The Wheel Well liners are a perfect fit for my 2019 Silverado. Installation was straightforward and they look great. They provide excellent protection against mud and debris. Number 2. Husky Liners GMC Sierra Rear Wheel Well Guards. Keep your GMC Sierra looking its best. These guards defend your vehicle from rocks, dirt, salt, and road debris. Experience a more peaceful drive. They help reduce road noise caused by flying debris, making your ride smoother. Getting these installed is a breeze. The simple setup makes cleaning your vehicle quick and easy too. You can count on their durability. They are guaranteed not to crack or break for the lifetime of your vehicle. These guards are proudly made in America's heartland. Invest in quality that lasts. What we like. For GMC Sierra owners from 2014 to 2019, single rear wheels, these guards are designed for a precise fit. They offer excellent defense against road debris and are simple to install. If you're looking for a straightforward way to enhance your Sierra's protection and maintain its appearance, these are a solid choice. What people say. They went to my 2016 Sierra double cab, perfect fit. Stiffer than originals, I had to set them in the sun plus use a heat gun on them to make pliable to install. Holes lined up perfectly, hardware fit. Looks to be a durable product. It's a must-have, cleaner look, stops rock chips and some buildup. Number 1. YITAMOTOR Fender Flares for Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra. This Fender flare kit is designed to perfectly fit your 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra, including classic models. Ensure your vehicle's year, make, and model are compatible before purchase. Crafted from premium PP material, these flares are built to last. They resist deformation, shrinkage, and cracking, even in extreme weather conditions, ensuring long-term performance. With added UV protection, they resist chalking and cracking. The smooth black finish can be easily painted to match your vehicle's color for a custom look. Installation is a breeze with accurate trimming for a perfect fit around your wheels. No drilling is required, and all necessary hardware and instructions are included. These flares not only give your truck an aggressive off-road look but also protect your wheel wells from mud, scratches, and other damage. Your purchase includes a complete set of Fender flares, a mounting hardware kit, and a detailed instruction manual for a straightforward setup. What we like. If you want to give your 1999 to 2006 Silverado or Sierra a rugged, off-road look while protecting the wheel wells, this Fender flare kit is perfect. The durable PP material resists damage and UV rays, and the smooth finish can be painted to match your truck. This is ideal for those seeking both style and protection for their classic model. What people say. These liners fit my 2019 Silverado perfectly, covering the entire wheel well area without any gaps. The heavy-duty plastic construction feels very durable and should protect the truck's body from mud and road debris effectively. Installation was straightforward, and they provide a clean, finished look to the wheel wells. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.